2-ingredient mixture to effectively eliminate earwax and ear infections. We all know that one of the most important and overlooked aspects of everyday hygiene is ear cleanliness. This is very important because people don't actually notice the buildup of earwax until it's too late. As we all know, the medical experts have revealed that the Q-tips are not meant to be used as ear cleaners. Well, this means that we must find another natural solution to clean the wax out of our eardrums. We all know that there are many different over-the-counter alternatives and solutions to clean your ears, which can be purchased in pharmacies. But you should know that they are not that efficient and beneficial like this homemade mixture. It's your lucky day, because in this article we are going to show you how to make the best and most effective mixture which will provide much better results. As we said, this homemade mixture against earwax is all natural, and it's made by 2 extremely powerful and healthy ingredients, white vinegar and rubbing alcohol. The rubbing alcohol has been proven to eliminate almost 85% of aerobic bacterial contamination when it comes in contact with. Well, this makes rubbing alcohol the perfect cleaning and disinfecting tool. And when it comes to white vinegar, we can easily say that it's powerful antibiotic and antimicrobial compound which fights infections very effectively. This means that when these 2 extremely powerful ingredients are combined, they make the most powerful combo which can fight ear infections, dries the ear, breaks down earwax, and doesn't cause any type of pain or discomfort when it's poured into the ear. Make sure you use this homemade remedy in cases of mild to moderate ear infection or wax buildup. But if you experience more serious earaches or problems, you should consult your doctor immediately. Earwax and ear infections home remedy recipe. Ingredients: white vinegar, rubbing alcohol. Directions. This earwax remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You need to mix 1 part rubbing alcohol and 1 part white vinegar. After that, you need to take 1 teaspoon of this mixture and pour it into one ear by tilting your head to the opposite side. You must stay in that position for a couple of minutes. Now when you are done with it, you should allow the mixture to run out of the ear by sitting in upright position. Now you can do the same procedure for the other ear as well. You must repeat this procedure at least 2 times every day to clear out the trapped water earwax and treat an ear infection. Remember, because this is very important, if you don't see any improvements in 3 days, or if you experience terrible earaches or problems, then you should consult your doctor immediately. And if you have perforated your eardrum, then you should take pain relief. And we also hope that this remedy will help you get rid of your earache or ear infection in very short time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.
Having hair in your ear is a warning sign. What does it mean? You've probably heard the old saying, the eyes are the windows to the soul. Well, if you believe in that, then you'll agree that the ears are the windows of our hearts. Study confirms, the experts have discovered that that ear canal hair, that dollhouse garden of black strands inside many an ear, is a common signpost for heart attacks. Here's what you need to know. In 1973, Dr. Sanders T. Frank and his team of researchers published a study in the New England Journal of Medicine claiming that a diagonal earlobe crease, also known by the name Frank's sign, was a positive predictor of coronary artery disease. When the waxy plaque deposits build up inside the arteries is called CAD, a plumbing problem. This is the main reason why different dermatologist experts around the world are trying to find answers. In New York in 1984, a group of experts published an article in the New England Journal of Medicine. The experts said that they found a strong association between ear canal hair and coronary artery disease. In a study of 43 men and 20 women, 90% of participants who had both a diagonal earlobe crease (DELC) and ear canal hair experienced cardiac failure. Having hair in your ear is a warning sign. What does it mean? You should also know that the experts have revealed that the long-term exposure to androgen, the king of male hormones and father of testosterone, caused clots in the arteries due to surplus production of red blood cells. In 1989, 215 Indian patients took part in a scientific research. The experts have found a relation between earlobe creases, ear hair and coronary artery disease. The authors of this study said that they've discovered a significant difference between men with and without CAD in the presence of ear canal hair with age-matched group. Ear hair prevalence advanced with age. A study conducted by the famous expert, Edston E. published in the June 2006 version of the American Journal of Forensic Medical Pathology researched more than 520 post-mortem examinations and measured the BMI, spleen weight, ear hair, and ear cartilage wrinkle, reason for death, sparseness, thickness of stomach fat and about 6 different qualities. Edston said that he discovered that ear cartilage wrinkle, was firmly corresponded with CAD in both men and ladies, P0.04. What this means, the more youthful the patient the higher was the positive prescient quality. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.